Hi friends, this Republic Day, learn more about India.
Welcome to Brain Evolution 360.
Discover India, like never before. Which Indian space mission reached Mars in the first attempt? That's right, it's Mangalyaan. What is the capital of India? Correct, it's New Delhi. Who is known as the father of the nation? Right, he is Mahatma Gandhi.
Which is the national animal of India? Right, it's tiger, and it was declared in 1973. Which river is the longest in India?
That's right, it's Ganga.
Which Indian city is called the Pink City? Yes, it's Jaipur, famous for pink-colored historic buildings. Which is the national flower of India? It's lotus, which represents purity and hope. Who was the first president of India? Right, it's Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Right, it's Diwali. What is the national sport of India officially? Officially, India has no national sport. Which monument in India is one of the 7 wonders of the world? Yes, it's Taj Mahal, built by Shah Jahan in 1631. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Yes, it's Gujarat with longest coastline. Who wrote India's national anthem? Yes, it's Rabindranath Tagore.
Which is the smallest Indian state by area? Yes, it's Goa. Which currency is used in India? That's right, rupee is the official currency of India. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Yes, it's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Which Indian city is called Silicon Valley of India? Yes, it's Bengaluru, due to its massive IT industry.
How many states does India have, as on 2025?
Yes, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Which dance form originates from Kerala? Right, it's Kathakali. What is the maximum length of the Indian Constitution? Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution. Which Indian scientist is known as the Missile Man? Yes, it's Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Which desert is located in India?
Yes, it's Thar Desert, known as the Great Indian Desert.
Which Indian footballer became the first from India to play in a UEFA Europa League match? Right, it's Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, made history in Norway. Which Indian state has the highest population? It's Uttar Pradesh, with an estimated 245 million people. Which language has the highest number of native speakers in India? Yes, it's Hindi.
Which Indian river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? Yes, it's Koshi, it causes immense damage. Which Indian state has the highest forest cover by areas, square kilometers? Yes, Madhya Pradesh has largest forest. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore. Which fort is known as the Gibraltar of the East? Yes, it's Daulatabad Fort. Which Indian language has maximum official status abroad? It's Tamil. In which year was the Reserve Bank of India established? Yes, it was established on the 1st of April 1935. Which India National Park is a UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site? It's Kaziranga, famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Yes, she is Annie Besant. Which Indian city hosted the first Asian Games, 1951? Yes, it was Delhi. What was the original name of the Indian Penal Code, IPC? It was Macaulay Code. Which Indian space mission studied the Sun? Yes, it's Aditya L1. Which ruler introduced Din-i-Ilahi? It's Akbar. Which Indian state was the first to be formed on linguistic basis? Yes, it's Andhra Pradesh. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal? Yes, he is Abhinav Bindra. Which is the southernmost point of India? It's Indira Point. What is ISRO's full form? Yes, it's Indian Space Research Organisation. Which Indian city is called the cricket capital of India? Yes, it's Mumbai. Which Indian state is known as the Land of Five Rivers? Yes, it's Punjab. The first Indian satellite was Aryabhata, launched in 1975. India's first nuclear test was conducted in which year? Yes, it's 1974. Where is the Qutub Minar located? Yes, it's Delhi. Which plateau is known as the Deccan Plateau? Southern Plateau or Peninsular Plateau? Which Indian football club became the first from India to reach the AFC Cup final? Yes, Bangalore FC. Which ancient Indian university was known to have more than 10,000 students from over 100 countries? Nalanda University. Which Indian state has the highest literacy rate as per 2023-24 survey data? It's Mizoram. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do like and share with your family and friends.